Hi everyone, welcome back. So here's the top again from last week that I didn't wear. And if it's cold, what I'll do is I'll just put a shirt on. So there's the top. Here are the black pants that I plan to wear with it. So we've got black pants. The next outfit is brown. We've got this cute brown top that I'm gonna wear. I'm gonna wear that with these brown slacks. These are a nice slack material trousers, so really nice, from Lane Bryant. The next outfit is this really pretty red top, and that we're gonna wear with some tights. So here's the tights. It's got just a tiny bit of red in it, so I thought I would pull out that red. So these are the leggings that I'm gonna wear. Then we have this beautiful, gorgeous blouse with there's roses on it, different shades of roses that I'm gonna wear. You'll see in a second. Got these rose-colored pants from Lane Bryant. Another pair of trousers, really nice material. Friday, I want to go casual, so we're gonna wear this another mauve colored top, a little bit of light, like a light burgundy. Now we've got these pair of jeans, and they're bell-bottom jeans, so they're real big bell-bottom jeans. So that's a nice casual Friday. For Saturday, I love a nice flannel, so we've got this nice flannel shirt. I've got these nice pair of jeans that have just dressing on them. So that is it for the outfits for the week. So for wigs for the week, I have to teach class Monday through Thursday this week. So I'm going to wear Estetica's Fin on the right there in Americano for Monday through Thursday. Then Friday I'm going to wear Kona, and then Saturday I'm going to wear, I forget, oh gosh, what one is this? I think this is Orlando V. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to record my outfits with the one video with Finn so that you'll have them all together, because that'll be Monday through Thursday. All right, so only 3 wigs this week that I'm wearing. So thanks for stopping by.